Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the photo memory notifications that pop up on your iPhone. Photo memories are personalized collections of photos and videos that Apple automatically creates through the Photos app. They include music and play like a movie or a slideshow. They're usually created around a significant event, a place, or a person, and when you have a new one available, your iPhone will give you a notification. To turn these notifications off, first open the Settings app. Next, tap Notifications, and then scroll down inside of here and then choose Photos. Here you'll see the style and settings for all photo notifications. At the bottom though, tap Customize Notifications. At the top, you'll see Memories. To disable the photo memory notifications, tap the slider to the right to toggle it off. You will no longer receive any new memory alerts. And that's how you turn off photo memory notifications on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.